Hi guys, this is Connie Garrett, CGARRETT Group. I am out here in Locust Grove amongst some huge 5 bedrooms, 4 bathroom properties on 1 acre lots. And they are starting at $499. But again, they're on 1 acre lot and they are huge. Almost 5,000 square feet, which is really hard to find. No neighbors all the way up on you. These are the lots, and these are some of the new builds that are available. Okay, so let me know if you're in the market, you like this area, Locust Grove, that's your price point, and you're looking for a big house with a big 1 acre lot. Give me a call if you're interested. Connie Garrett, CGARRETT Group. Phone number 678-438-2330. Powered by Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. 678-438-2330. Thank you guys. Have a great one. This could be your neighborhood. Call me.